Hi folks, this is Andy from Day Trade Express. One of the people who actually downloaded my method a couple of days ago has gone through it, and he asked me how many trades would have conceivably get without really stretching it, taking a risk on yesterday's trading day, which was basically the 13th of November. I've actually gone through, this is, by the way, that I've got on the screen, is a two time frame approach rather than one. And what I've actually done, I marked both time frames as to the ones that I would have been able to take, and basically the trade would be supported by the other frame, although the trade would have been taken on one time frame. What I mean by that is that if you have a signal on one time frame, you simply look at the other one and you make sure at least they're both going the right way. There's quite a few trades. As you can see, this is the larger of the two time frames, which is the top one here, and you can see this 1, 2, 3. I just go through them so at least you will see what it is. There's 3. There were obviously other trades that one could have taken, but these are the ones that without any risk, if you like, or is it this or is it that, straightforward price action, you'd have actually taken these trades. So this is the larger of the two time frames. There's 3 so far, as we said. There's the fourth one here. Fourth one here. This is from 7 in the morning, by the way, to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Now if we go into the shorter time frame, there's one we took here, that's 5. There's the 6th one there. Let's move it on and see how we did. Now the 7th one had actually failed, which is this one here, and in fact both time frames, although they were showing there was a positive trade, it did fail. Okay, in my case I had actually hedged that one, but that is a failure whichever way you look at it. And then I think there was one more on this one. There it is. It's in fact a double one here. So you can see there are about 7 trades there. One of them fell. Okay, Chris, I hope this helped. I know I sent you an email, and if you have a look at the video as well, let me know what you think. Anyone who's looking at it, by all means go through and see whether that will help you in any way. I have always maintained that I'm not a great lover of larger time frames and 50s or 100 pips, if you like, targets. I like to get on with short targets. I put usually 2 lots. One of them I will get after a certain target, even 5 pips. That's good enough as far as I'm concerned. And the second one I would obviously let it run a bit longer. If it does hit it, I'll get out and let someone else take more money, if you like. If it does come back and he breaks even, I just simply get out. It's as simple as that. There's so many trades, the time frames are short, and they're bound to give it to you. Yes, today was a good day. Sometimes, although you think that with a shorter time frame excuse me, losing my voice now, with shorter time frames you could actually get more trades. It's not always the case. There are some tricky days, and despite the fact that the signals are so clear, it's not that many that will be given. Depends really as to the events around the world as to how one pair will move. This is the euro dollar, by the way, 13th of November. If you want to go onto the website, by all means click on the right hand side. You will see the website there. There's also a blog, a lot more information, and I'm always willing to respond to your emails. Okay, thank you for now. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.